Welcome to Cooking Academy at home again. So this is Chef Raphael.
Hi.
And we're going to do his menu for the day. So what did you choose to make today?
Pork, rice, beans, and eggs and salad.
Okay, so we'll start with seasoning the pork and let's get going. So we're seasoning the pork loin with black pepper, salt, grated garlic, and we put some of the complete seasoning to give it more taste. Okay, and then I usually put red wine on our pork loins. It makes the meat very tender and it's very good. But I don't have it, so we're going to put some vinegar, balsamic vinegar, white wine vinegar, and some extra virgin olive oil. We might put a little bit of lemon also. It makes a great tenderloin. So just a little bit. Raphael is seasoning everything, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit of the olive oil. Okay. And then the white vinegar. It's going to mix all of it. And you can put a little bit of the lemon, so you can go ahead and grab it. And then we'll let that marinate for about 30 minutes and we'll move on to the rice. Ways to make rice. Most people just put the water to boil and the rice inside that once it's boiling. However, I'm going to teach you how my mom taught me. So first, we put the water to boil, and once it's boiling, we get another pan. Then we put some olive oil or whatever oil you have there. I usually use olive oil. You can put right in there. Okay, and then you put some garlic. I usually grate my garlic, but you can cut it, you can mince it, you can do however you want. But the garlic is all there and it's starting to turn a little brown. You can put the rice. You can put all of it and then grab some more. And then you can mix it. That's how we usually do it. You can put one more. And you just mix it. Right now, the rice, if you get it, will just plop down like that, right? What we need is the rice to start being a little bit more separated than what it is right now. Once it starts turning a little bit white at the bottom and it starts to separate a little, then it's ready to put the water. Now that the rice is starting to get a little white, some of it, we'll put the water. So I'll help you with this one because I don't want you to get burned. I'll put a little bit there. You can mix that. I'll put a little bit more. You can mix that. the water is all in there, we put the salt to taste. So you put as much as you want. I usually like a little bit more salt, but you decide. And then you just let the water boil like that for some until it's a little bit more, the water goes down a little. And then you can cover it and put it to simmer. So turn the heat to very low. So the water has gone down, so we're going to cover. And we're going to turn the heat to low. And we'll leave it there. Okay? While this is going, we're going to start with our meat. It has been simmering, it has been marinating for a while now. So we're going to start with that. You can grab the olive oil and put some over here. Okay. And then you're going to get piece by piece and put it right over there.
I'll take it out.
So we're going to turn the pork tenderloin, the first one, and let it brown on the other side. It has been on that side for a couple minutes now. So we're just going to turn it. We turned that one already. And 2 more left, I think. Okay. And that one. And then we're going to cover it. We're going to turn the heat down and cover it. And turn it down to medium. And you can just let it there. You can put a little bit of water if you want to.
Okay.
Just so it's not sticking and it doesn't burn. I might do that. And that's it for now, right?
Yeah.
That's his menu. That's what he chose, right?
Yep.
Want to do some pork?
Yep.
Our rice is ready. Can you mix it and see how it is? There you go. And it's pretty good. It's perfect.
Oh.
It's okay. Just be careful, okay?
Just be careful to not bring too much.
And then let's check on our meat.
Yep.
Our meat is pretty good also. Oh, it looks very good. And we tried a little piece, right? And it's pretty good. I added some water and he cut the onions, correct?
Yeah.
He cut the onions and we added the water and the onion to make a little sauce. It looks pretty good and it tastes even better.
This is the final product until we go. So we're just going to talk about a little bit of our food.
So he made the rice and the beans. He made the meat, the pork tenderloins with some onions and the salad. He chose that salad with the Olive Garden croutons and the Olive Garden Italian dressing. It tastes delicious. We tried a little bit, right?
Yep.
And it's very good. I'm very proud of you.
Thanks.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.